हेलो फ्रेंड, टेक्निकल सिविल इंजीनियरिंग में आप सभी का स्वागत है। दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में हम लोग आर ओवर के एक न्यू टॉपिक्स स्टील स्ट्रक्चर के एमसीक्यू हम सॉल्व करेंगे, जो 1 to 25 रहेगा। और यह इस वीडियो का यह पहला पार्ट है। इसके बाद हम लोग सेकेंड पार्ट लाएंगे। इसके पहले हमने इस चैनल पे आरसीसी का पार्ट 1 और स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल के कुछ वीडियो अपलोड किए हैं। अगर आप उसे नहीं देखे हैं तो इस चैनल के डिस्क्रिप्शन में उसका लिंक दिया हुआ है, जिसे जाकर आप लोग उस वीडियो को देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। स्टार्ट करने से पहले आप लोग से एक छोटा सा रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर आप इस चैनल पर आप नए हैं तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, जिससे आप लोग को लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशन मिलेगा। तो चलिए इस वीडियो का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इफ द थिकनेस ऑफ ए स्ट्रक्चरल मेंबर इज स्मॉल एज कंपेयर टू इट्स लेंथ एंड विथ it is classified as option A 1 dimensional, option B 2 dimensional, option C 3 dimensional, and option D none of these. So option B will be the right option, 2 dimensional. Next question, the main advantage of a steel member is option A its high strength, option B its gas and water tightness, option C its long service life, and option D all of the above. So D will be the right option. Next question, as per ISI, rolled steel beams section are classified into option A 2 series, option B 3 series, option C 4 series, and option D 5 series. So option D will be the right option, 5 series. Next question, rolled steel beam are designated by Indian Standard Series, and its option A weight per meter and depth of its section, depth of section and weight per meter, option C width of flange and weight per meters, option D weight per meter and flange width. So option B will be the right option, depth of a section and weight per meter. Next question, rolled steel beams are option A mainly used to resist bending stress, option B used as independent section to resist compressive stress, option C used as independent section to resist tensile strength, and option D all of the above. So D will be the right option, all of the above. Next question, the channel get twisted symmetrically with regarded to its axis. Option A parallel to flange, option B parallel to wave, option C perpendicular to flange, and option D perpendicular to wave. So option B will be the right option, parallel to wave. Next question, rolled steel T section are used option A as columns, option B with flat strips to connect plate in a steel rectangular tank, option C as built up section to resist axial tension, and option D none of these. So B will be the right option, with flat strip to connect plate in a steel rectangular tank. Next question, rolled steel angle section are classified as equal angles, unequal angles, option C bulb angles, and option D all of the above. So D will be the right option, all of the above. Next question, bulb angle are used option A column building, option B base building, option C ship building, and option D water tank building. So C will be the right option, ship building. Next question, with a percentage increases of carbon in steel decreases its option A strength, option B hardness, option C brightness, option D ductility. So D will be the right option, ductility, इसका डिक्रीज हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, pick up the correct statement from the following. Option A dead load includes self weight of the structures and superimposed loads permanently attached to the structure. Option B dead load change their position and vary in magnitude. Option C dead load are known in the beginning of the design. Option D none of these. तो दोस्तों पूछ रहा है कि pick up the correct statement, इसमें से कौन सा सही है? तो ऑप्शन ए विल बी द राइट ऑप्शन, डेड लोड इंक्लूड्स self weight of the structures and superimposed loads permanently attached to the structure. Next question, live load varies in magnitude. Option B varies in position. Option C it is expressed as uniformly distributed load, and option D all of the above. So D will be the right option, all of the above. Next question, if P is the wind pressure in kg per centimeter square and v is the velocity in kilometer per hour and k is a constant of proportionality, then option A p is equal to k by v square, option B v is equal to k by p square, and option C p is equal to k into v square, option D p is equal to k into v. So C will be the right option, p is equal to k into v square. Next question. When a load is transferred through one surface to another surface in contact, the stress is known as option A tensile stress, option B compressive stress, option C shearing stress, option D working stress and option E none of these. तो आपका इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा shearing stress. Next question. The permissible stress to which a structural member can be subjected to is known as option A bearing stress, option B working stress, option C tensile stress, option D compressive stress. दोस्तों पूछ रहा है कि the permissible stress to which a structural member can be subjected is known as working stress. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा B. B will be the right option. Next question. Factor of safety is the ratio of yield stress to working stress. Option B tensile stress to working stress. Option C compressive stress to working stress. Option D bearing stress to working stress and option E bearing stress to yielding stress. So A will be the right option, yield stress to working stress. Next question. Assuming the value of maximum deviation del P and del E to be 25% of the computed value of P and E respectively, the minimum value of the factor of safety is A1, B 0.67, option C 1.67, option D 2.67 and option E none of these. So C will be the right option. Next question. The ratio of longitudinal stress to strain within elastic limit is known as option A modulus of elasticity, option B shear modulus of elasticity, option C bulk modulus of elasticity, option D tangent modulus of elasticity. So A will be the right option, modulus of elasticity. Next question. The ratio of shearing stress to shearing strain within elastic limit is known as option A modulus of elasticity, option B shear modulus of elasticity, option C bulk modulus of elasticity, option D tangent modulus of elasticity and option E all of the above. दोस्तों पूछ रहा है इसमें the ratio of shearing stress to shearing strain. So आपका आंसर B will be the right option, shear modulus of elasticity. Next question. The ratio of hydrostatic stress to the volumetric strain within the elastic range is called option A modulus of elasticity, option B shear modulus of elasticity, option C bulk modulus of elasticity, option D tangent modulus of elasticity and option E all of the above. So C will be the right option, bulk modulus of elasticity. Next question. Poisson's ratio for steel within elastic limit range from option A 0.15 to 0.20, option B 0.25 to 0.24, option C 0.25 to 0.33, option D 0.33 to 0.35 and option E 0.45 to 0.50. So C will be the right option, 0.25 to 0.33. Next question. The rivets which are heated and then driven in the field are not option A power driven shock rivets, option B power driven field rivets, option C hand driven rivets and option D cold driven rivet and option E field rivets. So B will be the right option, power driven field rivets. Next question. Cold driven rivets range from option A 6 to 10 mm in diameter, option B 10 to 16 mm in diameter, option C 12 to 22 mm in diameter, option D 22 to 32 mm in diameter and option E none of these. So C will be the right option. Next question. Diameter of a rivet holes is made larger than the diameter of the rivets by option A 1.0 mm for rivet diameter up to 12 mm, option B 1.5 mm for rivet diameter exceeding 25 mm, option C 2.0 mm for rivet diameter over 25 mm, option D none of this. So पूछ रहे हैं दोस्तों इसमें diameter of rivet hole is made larger than diameter of the rivet by 2 mm for the rivet diameter over 25 mm. So C will be the right option. अगर डायमीटर 25 mm से लार्जर होगा तो वहाँ पे जो होल इज में लार्जर देन 2 mm लार्जर होगा, अगर 25 mm से लेस होगा तो 1.5 लार्जर होगा. सो सी विल बी द राइट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट दोस्तों, एक क्वेश्चन, इस वीडियो का लास्ट क्वेश्चन है 25 नंबर. द ग्रॉस डायमीटर ऑफ ए रिवेट इज द डायमीटर ऑफ ऑप्शन ए कोल्ड रिवेट बिफोर ड्राइविंग, ऑप्शन बी रिवेट आफ्टर ड्राइविंग, ऑप्शन सी रिवेट होल एंड ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ दिस. सो बी विल बी द राइट ऑप्शन. तो दोस्तों फिर आपसे मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. और इसके पहले हमने स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल के कुछ पार्ट और आरसीसी स्ट्रक्चर डिजाइन के कुछ पार्ट को वीडियो अपलोड किए हैं, जिसे इसका लिंक इस डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स के नीचे दिया हुआ है. इससे जाकर आप लोग देख सकते हैं. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.